welcome back. Today this video is going to be like a mini type haul of some things that I picked up today. So I thought that I'd hop on here really fast and try to film this really fast. Let's start with the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree, let me tell you, always has some hidden gems that you would not think would be in the Dollar Tree. Seriously. So the first thing that I got were these charger plates. The charger plates look absolutely amazing. They were gold. I discovered that the Dollar Tree had charger plates the last time because during Christmas, I picked up some red charger plates from there, and I'm like, oh my gosh, literally they were the same red charger plates that I saw at Michael's, and they were only $1 at the Dollar Tree. So, yeah, I'm gonna get the ones from the Dollar Tree. Another thing that I picked up was chalk paint. Now, I'm trying to think about where I got this chalk paint from. What store? Oh, I forgot to tell you, I went to Joann's because one of these are from Joann's. So the folk art paint is from Joann's, and the hazelnut is from Walmart. From Walmart. Oh my god. Okay, so these two. So one is the home decor from folk art, and the other one is Waverly. And I got this one from Walmart for about $6. And I got this one, I think I had a coupon, so I probably paid about maybe $5 or $6 for it. I don't remember, but it was on sale, and then I used the coupon. So I don't remember how much I paid for it, but so this next project that I'm going to be doing, which I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be using both of these. And also, and let me tell you, this color is hazelnut, and this color is called Savannah. They look a little similar, but they're really not. This hazelnut is darker than the Savannah color. So what I tend to do is kind of blend them together, and I didn't want them to be like too much of a difference in color, so that's why I kind of tried to choose stuff that was kind of in the same color category. Also, I got these from Hobby Lobby. Now with these, they are acrylic paints, and I am going to be actually making my own chalk paint with these two. So the color is taupe gray. Again, it's just a lighter color. I'm going to be doing a blending technique, so I just decided to get just a little lighter color. Alright, and the next thing I got from Walmart, this is just an angle brush. It only costs like $2. And it's just an angle brush so that I can get into the corners. And I mean, I've gotten these type of brushes before and I've never had a problem with them. So yeah, so I just picked this one up for the project that I am currently working on. Well, one of the projects. I have like so many projects. Okay. So then the other thing, which the video should be coming up sometime this week or next week, but I'm going to try to get it up this week, is I redid some bifold doors, and we're going to be using these, which I got from Walmart, 97 cents, to hang them up in the house. And the next thing is from Goodwill. So what I try to do is, a lot of people always ask me where I get my stuff from. So I'm going to start trying to do like a shop with me type video so I can bring you guys along. Sometimes it's kind of hard though when I have baby and trying to film and stuff like that. So whenever I can, I will. If I don't, then I'll just come on here and do these like haul videos for you guys. So this I got from Goodwill. This basket, perfectly fine basket, was only $1. Yes, $1. I was so happy when I saw this. I was like, oh my god! So I just had to pick it up. And it's something that I can use somewhere in this house because it's a basket. So, the next couple of things that I'm going to show you guys, I'm actually going to have to go out into the garage and just show you. So we're going to go to the garage now so I can show you the rest of my finds. Okay, so first things first, these are like the planks that I'm going to be using for the dresser that I'm going to turn into a bench. I think this is 8 feet. I don't remember, but I think those are 8 feet long, so 2 of them should be enough. If not, I can go back to the store because they were only $2 a piece. Okay, about to fall in here. Okay, so the second thing is this piece of plywood. It was $7, And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this piece as the seat. It's a really thick piece of plywood, so that's why I got it. And I thought I could see the size, but it's not on there. So this is what we're gonna be using for the seat for the bench. All right, and we're back. Okay, so this here is what I picked up from Habitat for Humanity. So what I'm gonna be doing with this is we're either gonna put it in our guest bathroom or maybe in our bathroom. I don't know. I'm really gearing towards the guest bathroom, but I'm gonna turn this in to where you can put like toiletry items and, you know, your toilet tissue, air freshener, all that stuff is gonna be put in here. Okay, I was about to say we have to fix that drawer. So I really, really liked this wiring that it has, and I'm gonna keep that. And then I'm just gonna sand it down and just make it look so pretty, change the knobs. So this is another project that I'm gonna be doing. Every time I go into like Goodwill or Habitat for Humanity or any type of thrifting thing, or if I'm online, I really kind of look at stuff and I just this was only $10, by the way. That is a steal. So I try to like look at it and see what I can turn it into and transform it into, because like I said, I don't like to just paint things. I mean, I can paint things, but I think it's just extra special when you can change it into something else. So when I saw this, like I was like, yes, I know what I want to do with it. So this is what I got from Habitat for Humanity, guys. But let me show you that I'm not finished with them, but these are the bifold doors that I was talking to you guys about. It was two sides. Let's see. I'll give you a little sneak peeky, but they're not even finished. But they were two sides, just two long doors, and we cut them in half, and I painted them black, and this is with my own chalk paint that I made as well. And what I'm thinking about distressing them, but right now I think I might keep them just plain black. But you shall see in the video, so stay tuned for that. So I'm going to be doing this bench. Well, I'm turning this dresser into a bench. I'm really, really, really excited about this. Like, I'm really excited. I love turning like old furniture into something that you wouldn't even think like to turn it into, or just like turning it into something else and not just painting it. Like, it just makes you feel so good when you just like transform something. So that's what I'm going to be kind of working on with all those paints that I got, the angle brush, the plywood, and all the rest of the stuff that I got for that project. So I'm super, 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 super excited to show you guys that, and I think you're really going to enjoy that video. So when I'm done, you guys will see it. But that next video, like I said, is going to be of the bifold doors that I turned into like kind of like an accent piece in our kitchen, and we're gonna add more stuff to it. But for right now, when I show you guys the video, it's just gonna be the doors that are gonna be hung up on our wall. So be looking out for that video. Like I said, I might try to get it in between this week and next week. I try to kind of get my videos out every week, but with baby, it's kind of unpredictable about when I can get things out. So that's why I don't like to say, oh, I'm going to upload stuff on Wednesday, I'm going to do it on Thursday, Monday, because it might not even happen. So that's why I always do like those preview type things, like, oh, posting soon, coming soon, because I don't really want to say like when it's actually going to come out. So anyways, so I thought that I would just kind of digress and tell you guys about that. That's it. That was my mini haul video. I didn't pick up too much stuff. I just got a couple of things that I'm going to be needing for these next couple of projects. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, next time I go and get stuff, because most of the time I kind of do it online because it's just so much easier. But when I do go to Habitat for Humanity and Goodwill and pick things up, I will take you guys along with me so you can see some of the things that I find. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.